everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys my closet and how I organize it, how I keep it organized in order to make it easier for me to find my clothes and shoes and other accessories and items that I need for the day. So come on inside, and over the door I have my shoes hanging here. These are the shoes that I use most often, and that's why they're hanging there, so I can just grab them real quick when I need them. Just wanted to share with you guys how I keep it organized. So the way I hang my clothes is I hang it from shortest to longest. So right here I keep my short sleeve shirts, and then as you can see, as it goes further along, the sleeves get longer. It just makes it easier for me to see everything. So if I want short sleeve shirt, I can just grab from this section. If I want a longer sleeve shirt, I can grab from this section. And then as you go this way, I have all of my leggings and then my jeans, and then I keep my cardigans all here. So I have my cardigans, and as you go further down, the jackets just get longer and longer and longer. I don't know if you can see that. And then I also keep my dresses on this side as well because they're long. So up here in this first gray box, that's where I keep all of my heavy sweaters and winter items that I'm not using. And in this teal box right here, this is where I keep all of my jeans, and I just kind of fold them and stick them in there, and whenever I need them I just, you know, grab the box, pull it down. It's really easy. And up here in this box right here, I keep my clutches and a few small purses and wallets. And this black bag right here is actually my train case that I take with me when I have makeup gigs that I have to do. And in this purse I just have it's a large purse, and inside I have some smaller purses stored in there. And that's a tip that I would definitely recommend for you guys to do if you have purses and they're kind of like everywhere. Take a large purse and store the smaller ones in there just to save some room. And another tip that I would recommend you guys to do is instead of getting those thicker plastic hangers or wooden hangers, I recommend getting these slim velvet hangers. It saves a lot of room. As you can see, I have several blouses and shirts and sleeveless shirts on here, and it just leaves so much more room for your clothes to be able to breathe instead of having them all, you know, crammed up together. And in this first box right here, this is where I keep all of my socks and pantyhose. In this box I keep all of my undergarments, like my underwear and girdles and things like that. And in this box I have my bras. And in this last box over here, this is where I keep all of my pajama bottoms and tops. And it just makes it really simple to just come in the closet and just, you know, grab whatever I need. I said down here I just keep my undershirts and just other t-shirts that I can use if I know I'm gonna get messy. And those are all of my workout clothes, and I just kind of fold them and throw them in there. Sometimes I just honestly, if I don't have time to fold, I'll just, you know, ball them up and just throw things in there, and it just keeps everything separated. It keeps it neat and just really easy for you to find, and it's very easy on the eye and easy on the brain. There's no clutter. A tip that I have is to go ahead and purchase yourself some adhesive labels like this. I got these at the Container Store, but you can find these anywhere, Walmart for example, or any kind of craft store. And get a Sharpie and go ahead and label your boxes. For example, since I put my socks here, I would go ahead and label this socks and then stick that label there. And I keep my underwear here, so I'd put underwear and so on and so forth. And that'll just make it more easier for you to be able to store your items and see where everything's at. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but these boxes, I actually got them from the Dollar Tree for $1. And they also carry some at Walmart. I used to keep all of my scarves put in a box, but I found that it was annoying having to get them all out because they'd get tangled up and knotted up, and it would just make things more difficult for me. So what I did was I got a tension rod, and I hung all my scarves on the tension rod, and I keep this in the closet, and that's how I keep them from getting wrinkled and keep them from getting tangled up. I keep my belts on a belt hanger, and it's just easy to keep all the belts hanging. It keeps them nice and neat and easy for you to see what you have, and just easy to grab it and put it back on. And I also keep that hung in here. Let me let you guys get one last look of the closet. Hope I'm not making y'all dizzy or anything like that. So thank you guys for joining me on this closet tour and organizing video. I hope that it was helpful for you guys, and that you guys were able to pick up some tips and tricks in making your life a little bit easier. And I hope to see you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching.